Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of bakery style Dilkhush or coconut bun. It has a filling made with cake and coconut. Let's see how to prepare this coconut bun. For the bun, take 2 cups of maida or all-purpose flour. Add in 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of milk powder, 1.5 teaspoon of active dry yeast, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix so that everything combines well. Add in half a cup of lukewarm milk and mix it. Add in water and knead it into a soft dough. There is no specific measurement for water, so add it until you get a soft dough. You should get a sticky soft dough like this. I have taken 2 tablespoons of soft butter. Beat the dough nicely using an electric beater. I have used this bread kneading attachment which comes with a hand blender. Add in the butter little by little and continue beating. You can knead the dough with hand as well. If you have a stand mixer, you can use it to knead the dough. After kneading it, you'll get a soft dough like this. Rest the dough for 2 hours. The yeast will get activated and the volume of the dough gets increased. This step is called proofing. Next, I'm going to prepare the filling. Take 1.5 cups of chocolate and vanilla cake mix. If you have vanilla cake mix, add in 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Chocolate flavor is essential for the filling. Break the cake nicely using your hand. Add in half a cup of desiccated coconut, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 2 tablespoons of chopped cashew nuts, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of chopped cherry and 1 tablespoon of raisin, 1 tablespoon of tutti frutti. You can adjust the quantity of these dry fruits and nuts as per your wish. Give it a mix so that everything combines well. Now add in 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix it nicely using a spatula. You should be able to make balls like this, so this should be the consistency of the filling. When you break the ball, it should be crumbly. You can add the melted butter accordingly to get this texture. Look at it friends, the dough has risen perfectly. It is soft, light and airy. Take the dough in a kitchen counter and knead it nicely for 5 minutes. If you find the dough is sticky means add a little maida. Knead it nicely so that you'll get soft coconut bun. Divide the dough into 2 parts. Make bigger size balls like this. Using a hand, flatten the dough and spread it evenly into a round shape. Using a hand, spread the dough into a medium size round shape. Spread the filling evenly like this. Cover it with the other half of the dough. Seal the ends of the dough by folding it like this. The dough is little sticky and hence I am dusting it with maida. I am going to bake this in 9-inch pan. Spread the dough gently using your hands like this. Dust it slightly with maida and transfer this into a baking pan. Grease the baking pan with butter. Rest the dough for 20 minutes. Prick the dough with the fork like this. First, bake it for 20 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Then apply some milk so that you'll get some glaze once it's baked. Then again bake it for 20 minutes. The baking time completely depends on your oven type. Once done, add in half a teaspoon of butter and spread it evenly like this. You can see the butter bun looks so shiny. Now cover it with the wet cloth and leave it for 15 minutes. Delicious coconut bun or Dilkhush is ready to be served now. This is so delicious and do give a try. I'll show how it looks at the bottom. Do try this coconut bun and share me the feedback. If you try this recipe, do not forget to share me the picture through my Instagram or Facebook account. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes like this. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.